Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App card keeps declining in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, simply open your Cash App application on your phone. Afterwards, tap on the option of card in the bottom. Now when you tap on it, you will be landed here on this particular page where you just have to simply check whether the lock card is enabled. Now, a lot of people accidentally leave the card locked after turning the security mode or on temporarily. So if the card is locked here, you just have to simply swipe it in order to unlock it first, and then you can try your payment again. Now, sometimes the displayed balance is not fully spendable because part of the money is pending, or the Bitcoin sales are still processing, or instant deposits have not settled yet. Also, you need to remember that some of the merchants place temporary authorization holds slightly higher than the purchase amount, which can then trigger the declines even when the balance looks close. So you can just simply look for the option of the cash card and then tap on the option of the card details. Now over here, you need to verify the CVV and the expiration date, the card status as well. If the card was recently replaced, the old card details may still be saved inside your Google Wallet, your Apple Pay, your subscriptions or shopping applications. So this causes a repeated decline until the new card information is updated. So you can just simply check the card status carefully inside the app and update any expired information in order to restore the payments in 2026. Thank you.